There is something seriously wrong with my furnace. Are you free today after class? I would love it if you could help me out with fixing it.
So what is wrong with it? I have some spare time now, so we can talk about it.
Well, I thought you were really adamant about having a burrito a day, to keep enemies away, if you know what I mean.
Haha, very funny man, but I'm not getting it to go on a farting marathon.
Well, whatever the reasons, it's not my concern. My problem is my furnace that's running, but not producing any heat.
First of all, I might say that if your furnace is electric, then I think you will need to take a closer look at the breaker. However, if it's a gas furnace, check the pilot light.
I'm not that good with these things, but my wife is. And I have an electric furnace.
Great to hear that, because you'll need to also check your heating element, which could be out. On the other hand, you may also have a trip circuit breaker.
Is that it? I was thinking that I might be dealing with worse problems than this.
You may. For instance, I suggest that you would also check your filter, because in many cases people have plugged filters, and they need to change them as soon as possible.
I haven't changed mine in quite a while, so I'll take a closer look at my furnace when I get home.
Lastly, as far as I know, you may also be dealing with a condensate leak. If this is the case, then it will need attention as soon as possible.
Gavin, thanks a lot for your time. I know it's very precious for you.
Isn't it for all of us? It was my pleasure, man.
Great to hear that. Bye.